Are you tired of your email list getting increasingly unresponsive over time? Are you struggling with your cold email marketing campaigns? Are you tired of working over a stone-cold email list? Are you paying thousands of dollars to email marketing experts to learn the secrets of how your emails can inbox? Are you tired of your emails landing in your recipient's junk folder? Maybe you've tried every email marketing tactic or method out there, but your emails are still getting ignored, and you're wondering, what on earth is happening here? Then FireList is going to change everything for you. FireList is a next-generation cold email platform with a done-for-you automated engine to warm up your email list, your email accounts, domains, and IPs, fully automatically with 0 monthly fees. Not just that, FireList has a lot more to offer than just simple email warming. You can upload your email list, design custom templates, and line up your warm-up email sequences and follow-ups for delivery so that they don't land in the dreaded spam folder, but right in your prospect's inbox. And that, too, at the perfect time. FireList is a cold email platform that uses cutting-edge technology to get you the results you deserve with email marketing in today's fiercely competitive environment. FireList works seamlessly with your autoresponder to automatically optimize your email campaigns, helping you turn more subscribers into sales. FireList quickly learns how your recipients respond and what they like and don't like. It will show you a complete report of where your email is landing in your recipient's email. By creating emails that your subscribers love to open and read, you can expect less spam complaints and unsubscribes, and more opens, clicks, and sales starting today. With automatic split testing and easy reporting, FireList will continue to show you what works best for your list and how to optimize your email campaigns to get more opens, clicks, and sales from every single email you send. With an easy drag-and-drop template editor and custom campaigns, you can create warm-up emails for yourself and your clients that are fully branded and stand out in your subscribers' inbox. And with powerful personalization and tagging, you can create emails that feel more personal and more relevant than ever, exploding your open and response rates and getting you the sales you need to grow your business this year. FireList also allows you to segment your list so that you can address your audience in a highly targeted manner and maximize the returns from your campaigns. FireList is 100% compatible with all the autoresponders in the world. You name it, and FireList can be easily integrated with it, which is why FireList is the sure-shot way that your emails don't land in spam anymore, without you having to do all the heavy lifting of warming up your account. FireList is everything you could want from a premium cold emailing platform to warm up your list, email, domain, and IP without any monthly fees. A lot of premium email warming up softwares charge you a hefty fee every single month and offer way less features than FireList does, while FireList does all of that automatically. And that, too, at a one-time price. An amazing deal, right? With FireList, it's like having a team of email experts working round the clock for you night and day, making sure your emails get better results. You'll also get a complete report with its cutting-edge heat map analytics that tells you where exactly your emails are landing. Here's the thing, the ROI on email is 4,200%. That's just a reality. And as crazy as it sounds, it is very difficult to achieve that number as you have to perform multiple tasks for manual email warm-up, which takes a lot of time, energy, effort, and patience, and still does not guarantee results. With FireList, the hard work is done for you. You finally have a secret weapon for getting game-changing results with your email campaigns. Whether you're an affiliate, local business owner, marketing agency, product owner, store owner, whatever you're selling, FireList can help you get more out of your cold emails and marketing campaigns. With easy Zapier integration, FireList works with your favorite marketing automation tools. And with unlimited contacts, there's no limit to your potential. And again, there's no monthly fees. FireList is all yours today for a one-time only investment. Imagine the best cold email marketing tool you can buy. Then add our proprietary technology to boost your results and slash hours of weekly work, all for a one-time only fee. You've just imagined FireList. Get ready to boost your open rates and click-through automatically. Reduce spam scores and delight your subscribers with emails they crave. Email marketing truly is still the most powerful way to sell products and services on planet Earth. And with FireList, it's about to become more powerful than ever before. Not only does it learn your style of writing and marketing, but it also learns what's working and what's not working for you and your list, and automatically optimizes your emails to get you better results. The future of cold email warm-up starts here. Don't get left behind. Enjoy all the modern features you'd expect from a $49 per month service, but with the powerful analytics and automation to get you better results and slash hours off your week. Unlimited contacts, unlimited emails, smart warm-up automation workflows, auto-tagging, tag and segment subscribers, personalize emails to boost response rates, auto-schedule emails, CSV import your existing email lists, campaign analytics, split testing, built-in drag-and-drop builder, import bulk emails using CSV, bounce, complaints, and unsubscribers handling, custom seed list, customized campaigns, create automation flows, and much more. All of this for a one-time only fee. Pay once, get better open rates forever. So ask yourself, do you have a cold email list that's getting less and less responsive every day? Are your emails landing in spam continuously and you're not getting the desired action? Do you struggle with the technical know-how of warming up your domain, list, email, IP? Do you want a solution that warms up your emails and does all of the above automatically without charging you hundreds of dollars per year? If the answer is yes, then you don't need to think anymore and get your hands on this amazing software. Remember, you'd possibly also win back hundreds or even thousands of potential lost sales every month, making a huge difference to your profits, along with days or even weeks of manually warming up your lists the old way. So, why wait? Hit the order button right now to secure your unlimited license before we switch to monthly billing. We'll see you inside.
Hello everyone, welcome to demo video of FireList. So FireList, as you know, it is a cold mailing platform where you can actually, use it for managing your email marketing campaigns. This is a complete, fully, a fledged email marketing suite. It is a complete autoresponder. You can create your list, you can manage your list, you can create segments, you can create tags, you can actually create workflows, you can execute workflows, you can schedule them. And it is not just an ordinary autoresponder, artificial intelligence based platform, which has machine learning involved in it, and it has the predictive features. So you can actually generate content using FireList. It will help you to warm up your account. It will help you to run some, inboxing test. So the most important aspect of email marketing is to get better inboxing. Okay, and we have launched MailZap last, a couple of months back, and MailZap used to be a complete, fully fledged email marketing autoresponder. It had all the features which we need as an autoresponder. But why do we need a new platform which has all the features of autoresponders? FireList is to warm up your list. FireList will help you to, run some SMTP inboxing test. You should know that your emails are landing in an inbox, or they are landing in spam, or they are just missing. They are being bounced. They are going to the promotional tabs. So when you want to know what is happening, why my email campaigns are not giving me the better results, why my email campaigns are, all the efforts which I'm putting in are completely going into drain. So FireList will help you. FireList will help you in managing your subscribers. It will help you to segment them. It will help you to tag your subscribers, and it will help you to create and send a broadcast. When I'm saying broadcast, I'm talking about bulk emailing. Okay, and FireList will help you to run some inboxing test, like your email is going to spam inbox, some promotional tabs, or they're just bouncing or missing somewhere. Okay, it will actually not just give you the result. It will not just like give you the idea whether your emails are going to inbox or not, but it will help you to attain that, to achieve that. It will help you to warm up your email list. It will help you to warm up your domain. It will help you to warm up your IP. Because for a better inboxing, you need to be careful about a couple of things. Like you should have a better and proper SPF records, DKIM records, DMARC records. And after that, you should have a proper clean domain. You should have a very good clean IP. And your sender reputation should not be bad. So it will actually, first of all, it will just analyze and it will tell you the results. And then once everything is good, it will help you to warm up your email, your IP, and your domain. I will explain you, I will show you how it works. But before that, I'm just going to give you some idea how it works. Okay. We have sign up forms here, we have workflow, and we have reports. And I will show you one by one everything in the settings, profile, plan information, integrations, and all these features. And we have the notification section here. And this notification is actually going to be used like uh, just for like not for just notifications, but for the updates as well. So every update, every notification, every activity log, you can see inside the notification here. Okay, so this is the dashboard. You can see we have how many broadcast, list, subscribers. This is a very identical to the Mails app, but it is completely different. Okay, it will actually show you your testing results. Okay, if you have sent this email, this is the unboxing rate, this is the spam, this is the total. Like it will show you everything here, and it will show you whether your IP or domain is like blacklisted somewhere, it's clean. It will help you with your sender score. It will show you everything, right? Okay, so now you can actually, I'll show you. First of all, uh, this is the setting area. This is very identical, like to Mails app, but here you can actually connect your all the SMTP services. So let's say I have just connected my one of my Mailgun account. So you can connect SendGrid, Spark Post, Elastic Mail, Amazon SES, Mailgun, custom SMTP you can use. And FireList works with Mails app as well, right? So let me tell you what is happening here. If you want to just connect your Mailgun account, you can just enter this information. And once your account is connected, you can switch to any SMTP. Let's say you have connected your 10 SMTP relays. You can switch to anyone, right? Right now I'm on other account. If I'll click on this, I'm on other account now. So I can switch to the my different accounts altogether. Okay. I don't need to verify domain because we are using some SMTP relays. So you need to do that process there on their websites. But here inside the file list, we don't ask you to verify your domain again. Okay. So you can just use an account and you can start sending emails instantly. Okay. You can actually manage your subscribers. So you can create a list, right? You can not just create a list, but you can actually import that as well. You can choose whether you want to just have a copy paste or manually add one by one, or you want to import a list. So let's import a list. Okay, I'm just going to choose a name. This is a name of list, let's say, and this is the description of the list. Okay. Uh, I'm just going to create this list. Okay, now, okay, this is my address, this is the company name and all. I want to, enable a dual opt-in. No, I just don't want to, so I can skip it. And then I'll click on approve. And now I will just upload my CSV file. So let's say this is my CSV file, which I want to use here. Okay, or let's say this is the CSV file which I want to use. I'll just choose that and it will show me, all the data to connect with the field name. So let's say you got 10 columns, it will show you 10 columns, and it will ask you to tag that with the particular, you know, field name. So let's say this is the email. So you can actually use email and click on save and finish. And once this whole list will be imported, it will show you a message that your list has been imported successfully. You can click on back to the contacts and you can see we've got 121 total subscribers. We've got 121 active subscribers, and how many inactive users we have. It will show you the inactive users. It will show you the unsubscribed subscribers and the users whose verification is pending. So if you are using dual opt-in, it will show you that. Okay. Now, if you want to tag some users, you can always, like tag them. Like you can always change the status of the users. You can always delete them if you want. It's up to you. But once it is done, let's say the list has been created. As you can see, name of the list, it has 121 contacts already. Okay. You can segment them. And how does this segment feature works? You can create a new segment. You can always choose a list or multiple lists you can choose. Let's say I have selected 2 lists, or I can select 20 or 200 lists as well. Now I just want to, I have to actually provide a name for the segment. So my name of the segment is name of list segment 1, and I'm going to create the segment. And now I will have to choose what are the criterias of the segment. So let's say my criteria is going to be email address. I will add that, and now I have the conditions. Okay, you want to put the condition like equal to something, doesn't equal to something, or contains some particular string or text or letter or character or digit, or doesn't contain that. It should be starts with or end with. I always use it for the end with to segregate my list for the different email service providers. Like I want to have a just all the users from the Gmail or from the Yahoo. So I will just enter ends with gmail.com. And when I click on save and update, it will actually show me, okay, I've got 50 contacts from this segment. So if I'll click on this segment, I will see every user has a Gmail account. So that's how I can segregate my users. That's how I can create a separate segment for the Gmail users. Now, if I want to create a different segment for the users who are from hotmail.com, so I'll create a new segment. Let's say I've selected these 2 lists. This is list. Segment number 2. If I'll just okay, choose an email address option here, and ends with hotmail.com. Okay. Click on save and update. I've got 14 contacts from the Hotmail. If you click on the view segment, you will see every user is from the Hotmail. So that's how you can create a segment. Okay. And once this segment has been, it's auto saved. When you click on save and update, it generates and it saves the segment automatically. So you don't have to bother about that. If you want to add these users, these 14 users, to some tag, okay, I want to tag it like this is the list I want to tag to one of my existing tags which I don't have, or I can create a new tag. If I'll click on create a new tag, I'll come here and I'll just create a tag with the name of G Hotmail or Gmail Hot. Okay, Gmail and Hotmail users. I'll just create a tag with the name of Gmail Hot. And once it is done, I will go back to my segments. Sorry, I just closed it. Yeah. Now I will click on add to tag and I will choose my Gmail Hot tag and I'll click on save tags tagged. I mean, these 14 users are tagged already. If I'll go back to my tags, I will see I have this tag Gmail hot, but I've got 7 contacts. And why it is 7 contacts? Because I've tagged 14 users, not the 7. Why is it showing me the 7 users only? Okay, it is showing the 7 users because it actually removes all the duplicate email addresses automatically. Okay, so now we have 7 unique users. So it is showing you the 7 unique users. Now, if I want to add, I want to tag the other users from Gmail, I'll click on the segments and I'll click on my segment 1. I will just click on add to tag all the Gmail users. Make sure we've got 50 Gmail users, but I'm sure these 50 also must be duplicate users. So no problem. We have the search option as well. So like this Dynod user, I want to filter here. See, we've got duplicate users. And if I'll just add these users to in this tag and click on this, now my tag is done. I've got 7 users earlier, and we've added 20, sorry, in the tags 25 more. So we've got 32 users. And now these users are unique, and these users are coming from different lists and different segments. Okay, and that is the power of stacks. So you can just you don't have only one option. You can create list that is for the different aspects. You can have segments of the users, and you can create tags. And the best part is, the best part of FireList is that you can send email not just to the list, but you can send email to the segments and tags as well. So if I'll create a new broadcast with the name of demo broadcast 1, and I'll just click on create. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the demo broadcast. As you can see, there is no tags right now. These tags are different than the list tags. These are the broadcast tags. And these tags are very, very important for the artificial intelligence, because these tags can be added manually, as well as our AI will generate these tags automatically. Okay, I'll show you how it works. So let's ignore this page. Let's go back to the next, go to the next step. I've got 2 lists. If you can see here, name of the list and the, demo. So I'll just choose name of the list. I'll click on the save. I've got, name from name. By the way, it will choose your name from the SMTP service, but you can also enter here. This is the email address you want to use as a reply address. We have got A/B testing for the subject line. You've got simple subject line as well. Hey, here we go. So something like that. Here we go. This is the preview text. It is going to be displayed inside your the mobile devices or the iPad or the tablet. It as a preview of the email, just under the subject line. So this is a preview text you can actually change. Now I'll click on save. Now let's talk about some kind of content. So as I always say, let's search for James Bond. Okay, James Bond or anything like that. We can search for not for the James Bond, but let's say search for Shakespeare, right? William Shakespeare, and we'll talk about his plays and quotes. Let's take his biography. Okay, so William, who was the Shakespeare, occupies a position in the this. We'll copy this text. From here, I will just come back to my system and I will paste it here. Okay, or you can write your own text. Any kind of initial content you should write about some topic, and once you are done with that topic, it will not just generate results for the topic, but what will happen? It will generate the all tags related to this text. So the AI actually is going to generate all the related tags. So this content must be related to all these, keywords: national English, English poet, uh, you know, uh, all these Shakespeare, English, William Shakespeare, actor often called, all these keywords it will show you, and it will show you the emotion of the content. So every, I mean, the phrase is like, I mean, not the phrase, but every sentence before the full stop, it will show you the emotion of that sentence. So the emotion of this sentence is neutral. Emotion of this sentence is also neutral, but emotion of this sentence is negative. Negative as in that you can, if you want to change, you can change. And the emotion of this sentence is positive. Okay? AI actually is going to show you what is the actual emotion of the sentence which you have written. And not only it will show you just the sentence, but it will generate some additional content for you for the related content. So now you have this option that you want to, go with this content, or you want to use the original one. So click on the save result, okay, and click on open editor. Once it is done, it will actually copy every single line which you have just written there, or you can just copy paste the AI generated content here. Now you can see the dark color in the background because it is intelligent enough to understand the color of the system. So it will show and it will create as per the system color. Okay. So if you're using darker theme of Chrome, it will show you email with a darker background. If you're using lighter theme, it will show you the email with a lighter background. Not only you, but your users as well. So you can choose here, hey, and if you want to just, like use some kind of tags with the greeting tags, we have the greeting tags here. Hey, let's say email, you can copy it. You can, like use this placeholder. Hey, this, or you can choose name because I don't have a name in my list. So I'm using this, or I can just, like if you have a name in your list, you can use name, of course, first name, last name, full name. This is up to you if you want to use that. It will show you the all HTML. It will show you all kind of formatting. If you want to add some kind of table, if you want to add some kind of specific div, you can easily do that, right? It's up to you. If you want to just add a link, it will just create a link. Let's say this is the link, firelist.io, and when you press enter, it will automatically create a link. You don't have to, like link it specifically. But if you want to change it, you can change it like by just, select it and click on link. Just a moment. Yeah, here we go. Link. And now you can change this link if you want. Enter the title, and if you want to open the link to the new window or the existing window, you can choose here. It's up to you. Okay. Now, if you want to send this email, right? This email, you want to test it first, so you can test it. Like, okay, I want to send this email, but before that, I want to test this email whether it is going to the inbox or not. Okay, so you can always test that email. If I'll open my email address, the Gmail. Okay, here we go. You see, this is the email. As you know, like right now, the theme of my Gmail is white, so the background of email is white. You can see that. It is using my address. It is already my unsubscribe, like button is already there automatically, and this email is coming from the email address which I have used, which is support@firelist.io. Okay, and this is using my SMTP detail, not the FireList detail. I'm using this email, like address here. But if it is your email address, it will always use your information your users will never understand, will never, like know about the source of your software, whether you're using FireList or you are using MailZap. Okay, so it is very, very highly customizable. You can customize it. Now we are coming to the next part of the system, which is if you want to change something or you want to generate something using AI, we have this option added here. So let's say if you want to generate something related to the Yoda, okay? I mean, he's my favorite character. I'm sorry, there's a reason I'm just mentioning Yoda here. So we'll just copy a small, like phrase, and then we'll just enter it here, and I'll click on generate result. You see, AI has generated all the Star Wars universe, Strikes Back, Empire Strikes, Star Wars, War Universe, Jedi Order, all the relevant keywords and tags. And you can see it is showing, okay, this is a negative phrase. Oh, this is a positive phrase. It will show you very negative and very, very positive as well. And as you can see, we've just entered a small amount of text here, but as you can see, AI has generated all the text and content related to Yoda. Okay, as you can see, we have never mentioned about you know the new in the new Star Wars movie, Yoda has a new name, an altered identity, and a much more prominent line for both him and Rey. As you can see here, we have never mentioned about this phrase. Okay, so AI actually is generating content about Yoda and it is giving you as a suggestion, and you can use this suggestion in your email. The same thing you can do for your marketing email, for your sales email. And every time when you are creating an email or you are using this content, what is happening? Actually, it is storing everything. You see, earlier it was empty, but now it has tags. So if you want to remove something, you can always remove. Okay, if you want to add something, you can always add. But AI actually generates and tags the content for the future better predictions. So whenever you are sending emails, it has the machine learning enabled. So it will actually start learning from the way of your writing and from the way of you think. Okay, so now we are just ready to send our email. I'll click on send now and I will send my email. And my email will be sent to everyone, whoever is listed in those, like a list of recipients. And once it is done, I can see the response of my email here. Okay, so this is the seed list, as you can see, but the response is very similar. You can see here, you will see the total number of recipients, how many people opened, how many people clicked, how many people unsubscribed, and you can see the list of people who opened that email. Not only that, you'll be able to tag them. By the way, the AI will automatically tag all the people who opened that email, but if you want to tag that with some other tag, you can do that as well. Okay, so it will give you a very extensive and very elaborative report, so you can actually check that report and you can take the action accordingly. You can tag the people who opened but did not click on the link, or the people who just never opened my email. So you can always tag them and you can send them a new email, right? The next thing is workflow. A workflow is a very intensive, very, very important feature of FireList. It is already there inside the Mails app, but what is more important than Mails app is I'm just about to come on that. Okay, so we'll talk about the automation of workflow. So workflow, let's say workflow one. Sorry, as you know, every workflow has a trigger. So what is the trigger for this workflow? You can choose by click. Now we have three options. If somebody joins a list, if somebody unsubscribe a list, or like on time. Okay, I want to just run this workflow one just 8 hours from now, or it should be run in every 8 hours. So it's up to you. You can choose whichever want you to want to create. So let's say let's go with a list. Okay, name of the list we have selected, and now you will be able to add like all these actions like send mail, remove contact, add to tag, remove from tag, add delay, and we have all these conditions. We have the webhook option here. So now if somebody joins my list after a particular delay, he should receive an email. So you can choose, right? Like you can connect it with this, and send email, you can connect it with this. So this is the step. Okay, if somebody will subscribe, you click on this. After 2 hours, like of a subscription, user should receive this particular email. So I don't have a draft right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the broadcast, and I'm going to create an email as a draft. Either I can create a new email, or I can clone any existing email. So my email has been cloned, and whatever I have used in my last email, or whatever settings, it will be very very same and as it is. So I can choose any information, right? I can change any information in the email. Once it is done, I'll click on save. I'll come back, and I will let me just refresh this. Once I'm done, I will choose my list from here, name of the list. I'll click on save. I'll click on add delay once again. I'll send email. Done. Okay, so now you can see we have added a delay of 2 hours, and we have connected it with the send email. So what is happening? If somebody will subscribe, this is the email which I've just created as a draft. Okay, now what is happening? If somebody will subscribe to my list name is name of list, and after 2 hours, he will receive this email which I have selected from here. Okay, and if he, he has opened the email or not, if I want to just put the condition on that, what I can do, I can put a condition if email. Okay, what is it? I can connect it with this. Now we are going to the one step ahead, and I'm going to put a condition. Okay, what condition? If somebody opened the email within 2 days or not opened, or if somebody clicked or not clicked. Okay, opened or not opened. Okay, if somebody like not opened my email, should be marked as a warm user, or if somebody opened a mail, should be marked as a if somebody opened the email, should be marked as a warm user. If somebody did not open the email, should be marked as a cold user. So I can mark it as a cold user. I can tag it as a warm user. So now what is happening? We have got the fully ready workflow. We have got a workflow where we have automated the whole process. Okay, if somebody will subscribe my list after 2 hours of after subscribing, so user should like feel that somebody deliberatively like sent an email, or somebody actually sent a personal email after, because I've subscribed 2 hours ago and now I'm getting an email now, or it can, this time can be 1 day or 2 days. It's up to you. Okay, the delay time is up to you. So if you have if user has subscribed it after 2 hours, he should receive an email, and within 2 days, after 2 days, of course, it will check if somebody opened the email or not. Okay, I have sent email. Let's say 100 users subscribed your list, and like in those 100 users, only 50 people actually opened the email in the last 6 days. Okay, so what does it mean? It means these 6 people are, these 50, let's say 20 people did not open, but 80 people opened. So these 20 people are actually cold users because they never opened the email. And these 80 users are the warm users. So now what is happening here? you are tagging the users on the behalf of their actions, whether they are opening the email or they are just not opening the email. So if they are opening the email, you can mark them as a warm user. If they are not opening, you can tag them as a cold user. So the next time when you will start sending or warming up your account, it will only use the people who are warmed. It will never use any cold user. Once it is done, I'll click on run, and now our workflow is created and running successfully. So this is how workflow works. Okay, I'll just pause it so we won't send any wrong email to anyone, because I've selected a wrong template here, as you can see, some dummy template. Okay, now we'll come back to the most important two major parts, I mean features of this platform. The first feature is SMTP inbox checker. What is it? How does it help? So inbox checker is, okay, when I'm sending emails, I get only 2% open rate or 1% open rate. But when my friend actually sends an email, he gets 23-30% open rate. What is happening? Where my emails are going? Whenever you send a campaign, you don't know whether your emails are going in inbox or other tabs or spam, or they are just bound, just like going somewhere else. They are not even delivering. So you can run a test, and this test we call SMTP inbox checker test. What is it? You can create a test by copying this FLID code. We call it a FireList ID. Yet this pixel code is going to be used in your email. Anywhere in your email, you can just paste it as it is. Okay, and you can run this test on not only on FireList or MailZap, but you can do it in any autoresponder in the world using FireList. Right? I'll show you how does it work. Now this is the first, let's say SMTP test one, and I'll click on next. And our next step is to choose, okay, you want to check it with the how many email service providers. You want to check a spam filter, you want to check the popular US accounts or European accounts or Brazilian, Russian accounts. You can choose anything, or you can remove any. And once it is done, we will give you a seed list. Okay, now you have this option to copy the seed list. You copy this, go back to your autoresponder, send email from, to these users, but don't forget to enter the FireList ID inside the email body, inside the email text. And once it is done, in next couple of minutes, it will show you, okay, what is the deliverability, like how many percentage of inboxing you getting, how many emails sent to the tabs, how many emails are going to spam, and how many emails are missing. It will show you the authentication, like what is the server authentication. Okay, this is the email the ID which you are using. If your DKIM is pass, if your SPF is pass, or if you, what is the sender score you have, this is your sender score. If your IP is blacklisted somewhere, it will show you the IP is blacklisted. If you are using any spammy or any fishy content inside your email, it will show you that you are using this. It will show you a separate result for every account. Okay, you are getting 100% inboxing in Outlook or 100% undelivered in Outlook. It will show you how many emails are going in spam on Gmail, and how many people emails are going in other tabs in Gmail or in inbox in Gmail or Hotmail or any other email account. So you can see, okay, this is something happening. I'm sending email to 1,000 users, 1,000 subscribers, but I'm getting only 2% inboxing just because my sender authentication is not correct. My sender score is not correct. My IP is blacklisted because my Google actually marked me as a fishy or spammy. It will not just show you the response, it will analyze your content. Okay, what is the size of your email? What is the size of the images you are having in your email? What is the HTML code looks like? If HTML code is broken, it will show you it is broken. If you have any broken link, if you have any broken image, it will show you that links and images are broken. If you are using any spammy content, it will show you that you are using a spammy keyword in your email. Okay, not only this, but it will show you the action steps. Okay, you should take these actions. These steps will actually help you to improve your inboxing. Okay, once you are done with the result, it will keep changing within 2 hours, because like it is sending emails and it is checking. This whole process takes time. So you can just like run a campaign and you can forget it for an hour. After an hour, you will come and you will see the response. I mean, I'm saying an hour just because sometimes when we are running a lot of campaigns, it can take some time, but whenever we are testing, it takes just few minutes, like 2 or 3. But in 2 3 minutes, it will give you the better understanding of your email campaigning. Okay. And now the next thing is, once you're done with the SMTP testing, now your emails, your everything is correct. Your IP is not blacklisted, your domain is not blacklisted, your system is completely correct. You are not using any fishy or spammy keyword. Your content is clean, but still you are not getting better in boxing. Now what to do? So we have a very solid AI based warm up campaign. What you can do, this campaign is a very unique feature of FireList, because you cannot find this feature anywhere on the planet. So what happened? Why and how Gmail actually knows about you should be important for a person or not, or your email should be important for a person or not. It actually gets the information on on the behalf of your email marketing or on your behavior, and then actually it gives you a score. Like if you are sending email and your emails are not just going to the spam, or your emails are not getting complaints, or your email doesn't have a spammy keyword, it will actually give you a good rate, and it will actually land it in some kind of inbox or promotion or updates tag tab. But if your email are getting like a lot of spam complaints, or if your email are bouncing, or if your email IP's reputation is poor or domain reputation is poor, it will mark you as a spammer. So to or if you are a new marketer and suddenly lot of traction has started coming, I mean, using your email address. So what will happen? Your email reputation, the sender reputation will go down, and Gmail will start sending your emails to the spam. But by using smart AI based campaign, what will happen? We have created a network of bots, and these bots are actually works like a real human. They use a real human browser. They use the real web browser, and they use the email like a real person. And how does it work? Whenever you are creating a campaign like warm up campaign one, it will you can choose which account you want to go with. So this is the SMTP account you want to go. Now come to the next option, and here you can choose the email category. And in the email category, you can write your own, but it will suggest you every time. It will give you a new email, so you can rewrite, or you can choose this. Click on next. You can always select, okay, I want to just do it for the Gmail, not for others. So you can unselect all, but click on next. Once you are done, it will actually ask you for the replies. And what does reply means? Replies actually are, because it is creating a kind of experience for the email service providers. Okay, you are sending like an email to the 100 people or 200 people, and those 200 people are going to reply on your email. So you will get a better engagement. initially, and when this engagement is happening, you will get automatically your rank will be increased. And once your rank is increased, your inboxing will be better, no matter what email marketing platform you are using, what autoresponder you're using. But FireList actually does that for all the autoresponders on this planet, including MailZap, including Aweber, including all the, like all major or, like new or any autoresponder, because that is not a specifically based on a system. That is free, because that is based on the email nexus, email addresses, a cluster of email addresses which we have just created. So now you can choose the replies. Okay, I should get this reply from my user. I mean, from those bots. So you can choose a reply here. So Gmail should feel that okay, a real communication is happening. Whatever you are writing, every time you will get a newer reply, because AI is doing its job in the background. And once it is done, see, it is saved. You can schedule it. Okay, I want to do this process every day, or I want to do this process weekly. Every day for maximum, you should do it for maximum 5 days. One campaign, not more than that. That is not recommended, but it is up to you. You can keep running that. Click on next, and we are done. Okay, once it is done, we'll be able to see the response every time, and it will actually increase your inboxing automatically. And we have a sign up form next. You can always use a sign up form like MailZap, right? This is a sign up form one. You can choose a list. You can create a sign up form, and you'll be able to create the sign up form. This is a feature of MailZap which we have integrated in the FireList. So it works like a very similar like MailZap. So you can create it here, and you can embed that code on your website. Okay. We This is not just an ordinary autoresponder. This is a AI based, awesome, just not like a email sender, but it will help you to manage your email marketing, and it will help you to give you the real analytics, and it will help you to get your better sender reputation for Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, and other email service providers. I hope you like this system, and this is, like MailZap. MailZap is not available to anyone. It is now subscription model, and it is going. This file list is also going to be on the same subscription model after the launch. So if you like this, click the buy now button and get this. Thank you.